Hi my beauties and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my boyfriend and we are actually going to be doing a tutorial, not a makeup tutorial. We're actually just going to be showing you guys how to make the best micheladas. We have all the ingredients here. So we have the beer, we have the chamoy, we have the clamato, we have the 2 chile tajins. Because somebody didn't check if they had tajin in their house, so we ended up buying an extra tajin.
But it's good though, because we got the low sodium and we got the regular ones, and then we got them limes.
And we got them limes, and David actually put the cups in a refrigerator for the michi time.
It's a must. You gotta freeze them.
Right? You do. So what do I do first?
Okay.
Okay, so then I guess this video is my boyfriend teaching me how to make a michelada because I don't know how to make one apparently.
It's very easy.
Okay, how do we do this?
Wait, I know a lot of you guys make your own. You guys have your own preference on ingredients and everything. But ours is very simple. We got the chamoy just to like throw a little flavor in. Usually I don't mess with it, but...
So why are you being fake and bringing it up?
No, because I tried it at a restaurant, a Mexican restaurant, and it was actually good. So I was like, you know what?
Wait, are we gonna put that inside or just around the room?
We're gonna work with it and put a little inside.
I'm not putting that inside because I get really bad heartburn. So my michas need to be at a certain chili level. Remember how when we go to the Dodger games?
Oh yeah.
Like, dude,
She was shitting hot Cheeto balls for days.
No, but I literally can't even drink the Dodger micheladas anymore because they're so like spicy. They give me really bad heartburn. So
shout out to the
sad.
Dodgers though.
Like,
shout out to the Dodgers. Didn't make it this year, but
they had last year and they literally literally fucked up their chances.
We'll be there next year.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay.
What do I do?
To start off, we're gonna get our cold ass, frosty ass cup.
Baby, make sure you're looking at this, not at that. Because I know you're looking at yourself at that because you look cute. But you need to look at yourself over here. Because then the whole video it's gonna be looking like you're looking over there.
So
make
we're
sure
gonna get a frosty ass cup.
Okay. And honestly, I feel like michelada is the whole year type of shit. It's not even like for summer. For sure. Like everybody drinks micheladas like around the year, around the fucking globe. So
I drink this shit in the winter. Alright, ready?
So yeah.
So we're gonna grab a lime.
Okay.
One for you, one for you. And what I like to do is a lot of people like dipping their cups inside like bowls full of tajin or chamoy. But that's the basic way. But we're gonna make it rain. And I'm gonna show you how. So we get a lemon. I like to squeeze it on the cup a little bit and then work it around. Work it around the rim. Y'all see that? Try that.
Okay.
Show them you could squeeze a lemon.
So squeeze a lime.
Okay, now you already squeezed some. Now work it around the rim.
Okay. So I pour some.
Wait, you're getting ahead of yourself. And then, sorry to say, get the remaining juice and squeeze.
Wait, but aren't we gonna tilt it to put the chile?
Oh shit.
You're fucking going to.
It's all good. What do you want to use? Low sodium or?
I'll take the original one.
I'm gonna take low sodium because I forgot to eat my Cheerios this morning. And it's just healthy for you.
Show it in the camera.
Well, nothing's always. So look, we're making it rain.
With chile.
That's all you gotta do. I'm not with that basic dipping.
Okay.
And I feel like it gets the cup more better. And then the excess that falls off, you could always use that or put inside your glass. Y'all seen the Mona Lisa? There it is. Woo! Look at that.
Okay, let me do mine.
You gotta sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Come on, don't be scared. You really gotta get it, babe.
Like that?
Don't be scared.
Okay, like that. And then I'm just gonna... This is what we have.
Okay.
My mouth's getting watery already.
Right? Okay, what we're gonna do is get another lime.
Okay.
Now we're gonna squeeze.
Hey, I thought we were gonna put the chamoy.
Oh, fuck.
Well, were we supposed to do that around the rim?
You know what? We can do that right now. My bad. I'm sorry.
Like,
I like it inside the cup, but you could go on the rim too. Check it. Just like. I call them lava drops. Just go ahead and put some lava drops on there.
Put a little bit on mine. Here, let me pick this up so you can see. A little bit.
And the excess will fall into the bowl. We just getting money, we making it rain. That's all we do.
Ooh, this looks so good.
See that? Usually, I'll go ahead and put a little bit in my cup.
I don't do that shit because
it gives it a little flavor.
I'm sure it tastes bomb.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do is get our lime.
Okay.
You have yours right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're gonna squeeze the lime in the cup. Squeeze, squeeze. And just drop the lime in the cup. Boom.
Should I bring some napkins?
Boom, napkins.
Yeah, huh?
Alright guys, so we dropped the lime in the cup. This is how it's looking right now.
It's kind of dripping the chamoy.
Look at all the flavors. And don't be scared to make a mess, you know? It's just the work of art. So, you don't like Tajin in yours, right?
No, I'm good.
She just likes it on the rim, on the outside. Me personally, I like it inside. So, there we go. Just get something like that. And once again, it's up to you guys. Like I said, you guys put your own ingredients into your micheladas. The next thing we're gonna do is Clamato time.
Yay.
Clamato time.
A little ASMR moments.
I'll let you pour it. Ready?
I don't even know how much to put.
Okay, so you're gonna pour like.
I don't like mine with a lot of tomato. You usually
I'm
make
gonna pour
mine.
it up for her. So not halfway, but like probably like a third. Pour it up. Just like that. Boom. She really doesn't like Clamato in hers. But if it was up to me, I'll just put a whole beer in here.
Dude, he
Even
drinks that shit all the time.
Just pour the Clamato up. I like mine with extra lime, so I'm gonna go ahead and squeeze another lime in there.
Yeah, me too. I'm down for another lime. You can never have enough
Kaboom.
lime, honestly. I feel like lime is everything. Like in your cup of noodle soup and the pepinos, like lime is everything.
I drop my lime in there just because it gets like that. The citrus comes out into the cup. Next thing I'll do is
beer.
Beer time, guys.
We always drink Pacifico. David always drinks Pacifico.
If you hear me, sponsor me. Sponsor us. Cheers. Not even open yet.
I know.
Go ahead. Pop bottles.
A little ASMR moments. Ooh, alright.
Pour it. But now, there you go.
Okay, so
I taught her good.
yeah, I didn't know how to pour beer in a cup before. I would just like pour it like that until like we went on a date or something, and like he's like, "Oh, pour my beer." So I was like, he's like, "Oh, that's not how you do it." I was like, "Oh shit."
You don't want your beer to be all foamy.
You have to like tilt the cup sideways.
Tilt the glass, pour it in.
And then as you're pouring it in, you put your cup.
There you go.
Straight.
Boom.
So this is a my miche. Ooh, that looks delicious. Okay, Mom, I don't even drink all the time, so don't come at me after this.
If you're watching this, this is just for video purpose.
Yeah, we don't even drink, Mom. We never drink. Okay, so now he's mixing the miche, right?
You don't drink. Pero anoche. You get a spoon, you mix it. Just get all the good flavors in there. Just mix it. And it's gonna have a little chemical reaction, if you guys can see. That's just all the flavors coming in together.
And we have a little bit left over,
Beer,
so we're
you know
just
what you do
gonna
with
drink
this?
it.
You chug it.
Oh, that was delicious.
Feels so good once it hits your lips.
Is that how I feel?
Yeah. This drink is good for anything. Barbecues,
Sunday Michi day.
Poolside chilling.
Yeah, like when you're sad or depressed.
You had
have a miche.
You had a bad day at work.
Yeah.
Fucking.
Your kids are
being little fucking assholes.
Micha time.
Well, you know what?
So.
When you just want to like say fuck it, you know, live life.
Yeah.
Drink responsible.
Yes.
Too.
Like you don't drink and drive. We never do that. Like we always take an Uber. But like before, I'm pretty sure when Uber wasn't around or Lyft, like a lot of people would do it. But now it's like you're fucking stupid if you drink and drive. Like you don't do that shit. You fucking need to be smart about it.
Now you just grow up and then just realize what's right and what's wrong, what's worth it, what's not.
So yeah, cheers, babe.
Let's get it. I'm gonna show you guys how this looks.
So yeah, if you guys do try out this miche recipe, let us know, comment down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna be making more videos with my boo.
And just let us know what you guys like in yours.
Yeah.
Like,
we would like to try other recipes, but this is ours. So yeah, cheers, babe.
I think this one was very like basic, but it's delicious.
Oh shit, this is bomb. Ooh, look at
cheers.
that. And if you guys don't know, when you're hungover, this is what you guys need to drink the next morning. And it will literally bring you back to life, right?
It's a must.
Oh.
Alright guys. Like, comment, subscribe, post notifications. Boom.